Hello, welcome back. My name is Teacher Lauren. This is Food for Brains learning, okay? That's all we're doing, working the muscle, learning. And for a lot of non-native speakers, I know you guys are tired of learning this language. I'm sorry. But hopefully with these little short, quick videos, it can just help you to see or differentiate whatever was confusing you before, what was hard. And today I wanted to talk about adjectives. A lot of students, one, want to expand their vocabulary, adverbs and verbs and nouns, but adjectives are describing what something is, person, place, or thing. So if you're describing, how do I want to say, your favorite color or something, or let's say you're describing something you like. Well, this building is my favorite. It's yellow, which is my favorite color. So that yellow, that's description. That's your adjective right there. That's your adjective. Or this is enormous. Did you see how big this is? Enormous, big. Those are your adjectives. You're describing your object. Let's narrow it down. My building is very small. Adjective, small. My building, that's what I'm talking about. It's very small. My hair is very big. Subject is my hair. My adjective is big. We're describing with our adjectives. So don't get too caught up in, your vocabulary and feeling like you're not expressing yourself. There are so many different words to use in this subject of adjectives because it's an action word. You're, telling someone how you feel about something. I was drinking water, drinking. So you're describing what you're doing, you're expressing yourself. And so just take your time. It's not easy. It's not easy learning another language, but I'm bumping into a lot of you being frustrated. And I don't want you to be frustrated. Stay calm. We will get through this. So just some examples of adjectives. Wait, give me a second. My brain stopped right there. So just some examples, we have big, huge, large, little, small, short. These are all ones that you can use. When it comes to colors, all the colors just about can be your adjectives. Black, blue, yellow, orange, green, purple, your adjectives. Let's see. When it comes to, sorry. When it comes to different taste, actually, if you're trying to describe something you're eating, this is sweet. This is bitter. Yeah. You're describing that. This is hot. You're describing, so those are all your adjectives: sweet, bitter, hot, sour. This is sour. Ugh, yeah. So you're describing your adjectives. You have a lot of them. My dog is outside. Your dog. That's what you're describing. Today it's foggy. Foggy. That's another one. Today it's sunny. That's another one, sunny. So you have different words you can use, especially more so what would help a lot of non-native speakers is thinking about what you're describing. So if you're describing your time, I didn't have a lot of time, but I had a load of work to do. I had a large amount of money that I lost. We're describing time, we're describing money, we're describing, things that you use every day. And that's what I try to do for a lot of my students is break it down, stuff that you use every day. Let's think of another one here. Sorry, my brain stopped. Oh, this happened to me yesterday. Forgot that my refrigerator was defrosting. So my socks, when I woke up, were a little squishy from the water on the floor. Squishy. So we're describing that my socks were squishy from the water on the floor. So there's different words, there's a lot of them. If you want to start simply, just use your colors, use how you're describing something, this big yellow house. So we're saying big, we're saying yellow. So you're able to get a feel for your adjectives and how to use them. So that's all I wanted to say. That's all. Make it a simple video. We have a busy lives, so I don't want to keep you long, but thank you for checking out this video. And I hope you enjoy using these adjectives throughout your learning of English. Bye. Take care. See you at the next one. So that's all I wanted to say. That's all. Make it a simple video. We have a busy lives, so I don't want to keep you long, but thank you for checking out this video. And I hope you enjoy using these adjectives throughout your learning of English. Bye. Take care. See you at the next one.